Everyone, good morning children. Today we are going to learn a different concept, that is artificial intelligence. So in artificial intelligence we are going to learn about a RoboMind concept. The chapter name is Getting Started in RoboMind. In this chapter we are going to learn about what is a RoboMind, how to launch a RoboMind, how to explore our RoboMind, what are the panels we have, what are the RoboMind actions. Okay. First, we are going to learn what is a RoboMind. So, it is a programming language. It is a very simple programming language. Okay. First, it is a very simple educational programming language. In program, what we are going to give? So, there will be the set of instruction that needs to perform right. So, if I am telling you to add two numbers, if I am telling you to write in the form of step, what you will do? Take 2 digits. Step 2. Add a 2 number. Step 3. If it is a carry, you mention. So similar to that, you will give instructions, right? Yes, in this form, in that certain conditions, we are going to use those process here also. Yeah, a set of instruction given to a computer to perform a specific task is called as a program. What is meant by program is there will be a set of instruction we are going to give to the computer to perform that action. It allows to gain insight into areas such as robotics and artificial intelligence. In your upcoming classes or in a PUC or in a degree, you learn about a robotic concept and in artificial intelligence as a separate subject. Okay. Next, we are going to learn how to launch our RoboMind. The steps are: first, click the start button, click all program, click Robo folder. Under Robo folder, we have a RoboMind. We can download RoboMind in your laptop or in your system. Okay. Next, once we given the steps to open, we will get a RoboMind screen, right? This is our RoboMind screen. In a RoboMind screen, we have 4 panels. One is a script panel, run panel, word panel and message panel. Script panel. What is a script panel? Here, where we can write the commands that the robo will perform. If I'm asking any direction or a route from any people, if I know any route from that place to another, how they will suggest? Go right, turn left, go straight. So they will give some instructions, right? So similar to that, you can instruct your robo, turn right, go forward 2 steps, backward. So in this format, you can instruct your robo. So script panel is help us to give the commands. There you can write your program. Word panel. So where our robo is currently. So it shows the current state of the robo. Next is a run panel. It contains the buttons to execute the command. So we finished our program. We need to run, right? So those buttons will be available in our run panel. Next is a message panel. So if we did any program wrong, it will use a compile errors. It will use a compile errors. Okay. Next, we are going to learn what are the actions robo can do. As a human being, what are the actions we can do? We can see, we can move one place to another, we can carry anything, we can do any work, right? So similar to that, even our RoboMind also can do some action. First, drive, that is a move from one place to another place. Our RoboMind can move. Look around through the eyes. The RoboMind can look around the world. Okay. That means in a RoboMind window. Move items. That it helps us to grab the beacon. It helps us to grab the beacon. Next, paint. Here we can either paint in a black or white in a RoboMind window. So it has a paint concept also. See here, I told it can grab the beacon, right? See, the RoboMind is instructing that I'm grabbing the beacon. See, I'm looking around. I'm painting white. Okay. So, these are the action that the RoboMind can do. I told that the RoboMind can paint, right? Using paint concept, we can draw a square, we can write an alphabet, we can write your name, you can write hi, hello, everyone. So you can write the letters also. Here I'll show you sample example how to draw a square. You don't worry about the programming. In lesson number 7 we'll learn, lesson number 4 we'll learn how to write the programs. Okay, sure, this is a sample program. Paint white. We are instructing robot to paint white and repeat 4 times. It needs to repeat, because in order to giving the forward 4 right 4 times, we can use a repeat command. It helps us to repeat our commands n number of times. But in this bracket here you need to specify how many times it has to repeat. And you can open your curly braces, forward 4 steps. See here, assume that your robo is here. You are instructing your robo to paint white and move forward 4 steps. So the robo moved 4 steps, and again instructing turn right. So it turned right, again 4 steps, instructing turn right, again 4 steps, instructing forward 4 and turn right. So we need to instruct our robot to stop painting, then only it will stop its painting. Okay, and you can, so here this is our run panel. You can play your program. So you can adjust the speed also, whether your RoboMind needs to paint fast or slow. Okay, here you can adjust your speed. This is a sample program to draw a square. So we finished this chapter. Now I am going to explain some questions. Fourth question, name the panels in RoboMind environment. What are the panels we have? Run panel, script panel, message panel, and one more panel is a word panel. Here label the marked paths. See here, this is move, this is C command, this is grab command, this is a paint command. Okay. So we finished this chapter. I request everyone to open a textbook to write our TB exercise. In case any doubt in this explanation part, you can ask me in the interactive session. Now open your textbook, children. Before moving to a textbook part exercise, I'll show you how to open our RoboMind environment. See here, I told you, this is a script panel where you can type your commands. This is a word panel where our robo is currently. Okay. This is our run panel. You can play, that is pause, stop. We have those options here. Okay. Stop command, that is a stop button. This is a message line. Okay. That is a message panel. It gives a arrow. Okay. And you can type any coding here in a script panel, that is a commands to run. See here, forward, right. See how your robo is moving? It's a forward 1 step. Okay. Again I am showing, see here, forwarding. Okay, it's forwarding and again it's turning right side. Okay. Now open a TB, children. I request everyone to take a page number 23. That is the first main. Answer the following in one word. First question, where do you write the programs in RoboMind? In script panel only, right? So you need to write script panel. In script panel only you can write the program, which will perform the instruction given in the script panel. Who will perform? Robo, right? So you need to write robot. How many panels are there in the development environment of a RoboMind? We have a 4, right? You write 4. Okay. 4 are script, word panel, run panel, message panel. Name the action in which the robot can drive in its environment. Drive means move. Okay. So first script panel, second robot, third fourth move. Second main, label the following. Name the marked icons in the run panel. First is execute the script. Second is perform the next command. Third is pass the execution of the script. Fourth is stop the execution of a script. For this second main, if my handwriting is not clear, you can refer a page number 21. You have the answers clearly here. Okay, you can refer here and you can write the answers here. Okay. Now, I am moving to the next page, that is a page number 24. Label the panels of the following picture. Also, name the environment. We have this screenshot also here. Script panel, run panel, word panel, message panel. And the environment name is RoboMind Development Environment. Okay. Here I am writing the answers, children. First is a script panel. Second is run panel. Third is word panel. Fourth is message panel. Here RoboMind Development Environment. Okay. Next we are moving to the third question. Mention the actions performed by the robot in the blank boxes. What is this? It is a grab, right? So it is a grab command. What is it? See. You can see around. The robot can. This is move. This is paint. Okay. Next we are moving to the third main. State the true or false. RoboMind is a simple programming language. Yes, it is a simple programming language. A program performs the specified task. Yes. True. A robot lives in the word panel. Yes, it is also true. There are 5 panels in the RoboMind window. No. We have 4 panels, so it is a false. The robot cannot paint. This also false because the robot can paint in a color black and white. And this question answer part will be coming through Udo, children, in the form of PDF. You can refer the PDF and you can start writing your classwork. Okay. I request everyone to copy the same in your textbook. I told you, if it is not clear, refer page number 21. Here you can write it. And next main, third main, true or false. In case any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Now I am going to end my session, children. Thank you. Bye. Take care.